I was worried about every day the grass is growing, but I can't take care of it.
I'm here with Ma'o. He's from Ethiopia. He was telling me that he helps give back to those with intellectual disabilities, and just works 2 different jobs and just hasn't had time to take care of his lawn. His lawnmower was broken. He just showed me it out of his little shed here. So how long have you been in the States?
It's 8 years.
8 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And you liking it here?
Yeah, I'm very liking it.
I
love it. Yep.
How many hours a week do you work?
Maybe 100
hours.
Oh, the payment?
No. How many hours a week do you usually work?
How many hours?
Do you work? Yeah. Do you work real long days?
Per day?
Yeah.
Maybe 16, 18 hours.
16, 18-hour days.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. So you don't have much time for this.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you can see his lawn's a little overgrown. I'm gonna give back. We're gonna do this all with Greenworks battery equipment. So we're gonna trim it up. He has some peach trees. We're gonna trim the peach trees and have at it.
Alrighty. Yep, it's a big help.
Turn on turbo on that one. the first battery change. That one's dead. That one's still full charge. Alright, so we've been running 1 hour in all of that on one 5 amp hour battery. So we're going to put in a fresh 4 amp. I don't think this one was plugged in. Let's go. Good old Bermuda in Pennsylvania. Well, I'm almost done. I cleaned everything out. Just got to do a little bit of backing here, finishing up your edge. What do you think?
It was a great job, and it's a great help.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are doing a good job for the community.
Well, I appreciate that.
Yeah, I appreciate that. I was worried about every day the grass is growing, but I can't take care of it. I'm very thankful.
Yeah. On a rating 1 to 10, what would you rate this edge?
It's 10.
You give it a 10?
Yeah.
A 10?
10, yeah.
How about that? Does it. That was about 3 hours for this property, all on the Greenworks Pro 60-volt lineup. The backpack blower, the multi-attachment tool with the edger, string trimmer, the blower. Probably said the blower ever. It's like 95 degrees out here, guys. It's hot. It's hot, and if you made it this far, I appreciate you so much. I'm doing these jobs for free. And with you watching them, YouTube helps pay me, obviously, through ads. It is very little right now. So the more you like, the more you share, the more you subscribe, the more I'm able to keep doing this and give back to those people that help out the community. Like he was helping out those with intellectual disabilities. I mean, which that is not easy work. Being in healthcare myself, that's a hard job. And if we can continue to give back to people like this, previous was a lady who was disabled. Her husband has terminal cancer or terminal brain illness. The other one was a gentleman who had the city on his back. He couldn't mow his lawn either. So we're helping out the community. We're helping out people, avoiding citations. You guys are awesome. I appreciate your support. I'll see you in the next one.